Hello children, today we are starting a new chapter articles. This chapter is having two parts in which we will discuss about indefinite articles and definite articles. Today in the first part of the video we will discuss about indefinite articles that are a and n. Children, do you know what is an article? Well, an article is a word used to modify a noun, which is a person, place, object, or idea. An article is an adjective, which is any word that modifies a noun, usually adjective, through description. But articles are used instead to point out or refer to noun. It means the word a, an, and the are the special adjectives that are called articles. Articles are used before nouns to specify grammatical definiteness of the nouns. There are two kinds of articles, indefinite articles and definite articles. Indefinite articles include a, an. Definite articles include the. Today we will discuss about indefinite articles, that is uses of a and an. Firstly, we will start with the rules of uses a. Before the singular countable nouns, we use a. That means the nouns that are singular and countable. With these type of nouns, we use a. Example is, I saw a fox running across the highway. Apart from the singular countable nouns, the adjectives that starts with a consonant sound, there also we use a. Example is, I bought a new dress. He is a good boy. A is used before singular countable nouns which stand as example of a class of things. Example is, a baby sleeps for almost 18 hours. A child needs constant attention. To express the quantity, that is a lot of, a dozen, a pair of, a number of. Here also we use a. Before the units of price, speed or ratio also we use a. Like petrol is rupees 65 a litre. This motorbike gives 25 kilometers a litre. A is also used before certain numbers. Example is, give me $100. He earned $1 million in the race. In case expression of frequency also A is used. Like take this tablet twice a day. Visit your dentist once a month. In certain exclamatory expressions also we use a. What a magnificent shot. What a marvelous structure it is. Now the rules to use an. N is used before nouns beginning with vowel sounds. The nouns that starts with vowel sounds, that is A, E, I, O, U, we use N. N is also used before singular countable nouns that performs the same function as A. A and N stands for the same meaning. So, N is used before the singular countable nouns that performs the same function as A. like an apple, an owl, an orange. Here one thing is most important, that before using a or an, the initial sound, not the spelling sound, should be considered. It means not the spelling but the initial sound of the word should be considered, like a university, an MP. Children, here I am giving you one practice exercise. Fill in the blanks with appropriate articles, that is a or an. You copy down these sentences and write the answers. That's all for today. Now the definite articles, that is the, will be explained in the second part of the chapter. Thank you.